Okay, last class we were discussing some database connection programs up to order by clause we will discussing. Next one, how to update the records. We can update the records. We can update the records by using update command. Update table name, set condition, where condition. This is the SQL query. Now observing very clearly, I want to print a department number 10 employees data, where department number equal to 10. Okay, my requirement, which employee name, second character is I, that employee salary, I am trying to updating 3500 or post character. Now observing very clearly. Write a program to update the employee salary 3000 to salary to 3500, whose employee working under department number 10, and which employee name starts with S character. Here I am providing one message, print before update cursor underscore object dot execute update table name set salary equal to 3500 EMP set salary equal to 3500, where department number equal to 10 and e name like starts with the S character. Whenever that query is executed, I want to print one message, updated successfully. Print after update. Again, I want to display this data. By mistakenly, I am updating. I want to roll back my data. In that situation, cursor underscore object dot execute rollback. Whenever this command is executed, I want to print one message: rollback completed. After rollback, again I am trying to print my data. Okay, rollback means we can get the back previous data. We can get the back previous data. By mistakenly I am updating, but my requirement I want to get the my old data. In that situation, we can apply the rollback operation. Yeah, please try to understanding this logic. Are you clear?
Sir, but execute to select start from employee where the department number equal to 10.
Yeah.
What's the need of that one, sir?
I want to print to department number 10 employees data.
After update, sir.
After update, I want to print it this data. Data is updated or not. I want to check whether.
Okay.
Okay, before update, this is my data. Updated successfully. Which employee name having first character is S character. That employee salary is updated 3,500. Okay, by mistakenly I am updated. That's why I am rollbacking. After rollback, again we will get the original data. Are you clear? Write a program to delete the data, or how to delete the data. We can delete the data by using delete command. By using delete command. Delete star from table name where condition. Delete star from table name where condition. Write a program to delete the employee data. Delete the employee data. Whose employee working under department number 10 and which employee name starts with S character. Write a program to delete the employee data whose employee working under department number 10 and which employee name starts with S character. Before delete, normal data I am printed. Here I am deleting the records. Delete star from EMP pair department number equal to 10 and ename like starts with S character. Now deleted successfully one message I want to print it after delete. After delete. Now I am using try block cursor underscore object dot execute of commit. Now I want to print commit completed. Commit completed. Once we can commit the transaction, we cannot roll back the data. We cannot roll back the data. Except print once we can commit the transaction. Once we can commit the transaction, we cannot roll back the data. We cannot roll back the data. Or suppose by mistakenly we can apply the rollback, it is performing these statements I want to execute it. Finally, okay, once we can committing, we cannot roll back the data. We can apply the rollback operation before commit the transaction. Please keep that point. Before commit the transaction, then only we can roll back the data. Once we can commit the transaction, we cannot roll back the data.
డిలీట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మెటాడేటాలో ఉంటుంది సార్.
పర్మనెంట్ గా డిలీట్ అయిపోతుంది కమిట్ చేస్తే.
ఓకే సార్, కమిట్ చేస్తే వీ కెన్ నాట్ రిట్రీవ్ ద ఫ్రమ్ ద డేటా. కానీ మనము డిలీట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ డేటా ఎక్కడ ఉండేది మామూలుగా, అంటే కమిట్ చేయకముందు?
కమిట్ చేయకముందు మనకి రీసైకిల్ బిన్ లాగా ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ టెంప్ ఫైల్ ఒకటి క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది, ఈ టెంప్ ఫైల్ లో ఉంటుంది డేటా.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
కమిట్ చేయకపోతే మనం రోల్ బ్యాక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్. ఓకే, థాంక్స్.
Sir, explain from the try block.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కమిట్ చేశాను నేను. కమిట్ చేసిన తర్వాత కమిట్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది. ఒకవేళ మనం కమిట్ చేసిన తర్వాత రోల్ బ్యాక్ ట్రై చేస్తే అది వర్క్ అవ్వదు. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎక్సెప్షన్ వస్తుంది. ఎక్సెప్షన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కంట్రోల్ అనేది ఎక్సెప్ట్ బ్లాక్ వెళ్ళి మెసేజ్ ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ రోల్ బ్యాక్ కనుక సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అయితే ఈ ఎల్స్ బ్లాక్ వెళ్ళి రోల్ బ్యాక్ కంప్లీట్ మెసేజ్ వచ్చి మనకి డేటా ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, మీకు కావాలంటే ట్రై ఎక్సెప్ట్ రాయాలంటే ఇలా రాసుకుంటామని చెప్పాము అంతే, ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఫైనల్లీ బ్లాక్ లో మనం మాక్సిమం రీసోర్స్ రిలీజింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ రాస్తాం. అంటే ఏంటంటే కర్సర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని క్లోజ్ చేయడం కానీ, కనెక్షన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని క్లోజ్ చేయడం కానీ, లేకపోతే ఫైల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్లోజ్ చేయడం కానీ, ఇలాంటి వాటిని మనం ఫైనల్లో రాస్తాం రియల్ టైమ్ లో.
ఎల్స్ బ్లాక్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
ఇక్కడ ఎక్సెప్షన్ రాకపోతే వస్తుంది ట్రై బ్లాక్ లో.
ఓకే, అంటే మనం కమిట్ కాకుండా ఉంటేనేనా సార్?
మనం కమిట్ రాయకుండా రోల్ బ్యాక్ చేస్తే ఎల్స్ బ్లాక్ వస్తుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, this is the working with the SQL 8.3 database. Or suppose if you want to connect and communicate the MySQL server, we need to require MySQL server in your local computer. Okay, whenever we are installing MySQL server, n number of packages we are downloaded inbuilt. Okay, go to this location and to downloading. Okay, web community and installing. Okay, already in my computer, MySQL server is there. Okay, if you are not available in your computer, to download file and installing. Okay, at the time of installation, we are setting some usernames and password. That usernames and passwords are very, very important at the time of connecting the database server through Python scripting. Okay. This is the official website.
Download చేసినప్పుడు ఎప్పుడో యూజర్ నేమ్ అవి ఇచ్చుంటాం కదా సార్.
డౌన్లోడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు యూజర్ నేమ్ కాదు, ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు రూట్ యూజర్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇవన్నీ అడుగుతాయి, అవి కావాలి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి
అంటే. అవును సార్, అంటే ఇచ్చాం సార్, ఒకవేళ మర్చిపోయి ఉంటే అగైన్ వాటిని ఎలా రిట్రీవ్ చేస్తాం?
ఒకసారి రూట్ యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ మర్చిపోతే మనం రిట్రీవ్ చేయలేము, దానికి చాలా కమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. మళ్ళీ
ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాల్సిందే సార్, అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి.
లేదంటే చాలా కొన్ని స్క్రిప్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి, హై లెవెల్ ఆపరేషన్స్ అవి చేయాలి, డిబి లెవెల్, అడ్మిన్ లెవెల్లో.
ఇంకో ఆప్షన్ ఏంటి సార్, అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయడమా సార్?
లేకపోతే అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకుంటాం. Now observing very clearly, working with MySQL server. Working with MySQL database. Observing very clearly, first example, write a program to create a database. Now I'm open the SQL server. Okay, my password also I am taken as a root. Okay, this is my MySQL. If you want to, how many databases are available? Okay, observing very clearly, this is a server version 8.0.27 MySQL community server GPL. Observing very clearly here, GPL download, MySQL community GPL downloads are available. Go to this one. Next one, MySQL installer for Windows. Same, we can downloading this file, web installer or MySQL installer community. We can downloading anyone and installing. Next, observing very clearly, show databases. Now it is displaying the available databases. These are the databases are available in MySQL server. Now I am trying to connect this database. I want to create one more new database. Now observing very clearly, if you want to communicate the MySQL database, if we want to connect and communicate the MySQL database server to required following things. A MySQL database server is required either locally or remotely. Next one, MySQL database Python package. MySQL database Python package. That means the package name is MySQL connector Python. That is a Python package. How to install? Go to scripts folder. Pip space install space MySQL connector Python. Installation.
So first we should download this MySQL database server into local system if we are working on laptop, right?
Yeah,
then we have to execute this pip and
compulsory that server is required. Then only we can communicate that server and creating the database and creating a tables. Without database server, we cannot work it locally. For suppose if you are working remotely, your remote mission IP addresses we are using.
Okay, this MySQL connector Python package, what it does, sir?
That is a Python database package API. If you want to communicate a database server through Python program, we need to require this API.
Okay, this works like API.
Yeah, previously SQL 3, that is a SQL 3 database server Python package.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, directly we can communicate the MySQL database, open the MySQL command line prompt and open communicating. But through Python program, if you want to communicating, some APIs are required. For suppose Java, some APIs are required, Python, some APIs required. This is a Python related API.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Now this package is installing. Now I want to create a database. Import MySQL dot connector MySQL dot connect. Here we are passing the some parameters. User equal to root password. My password is also root. Next one, host equal to localhost. Either IP address 127.0.0.1. Next one, port number. Okay, whenever we are installing any application in our computer, every application having one port number. By default, MySQL database server port number is 3306. 3306. If you are working on Oracle database server having one default port number 1521. Connection established. Creating a cursor object. Create a cursor object. here I want to create the database. Create database, database name, employee. That is a query. How to create a database? This is the command. Create database, database name. Whenever this command is executed, I want to print database created successfully. Okay. After creating the database, before creating a database and after the creating a database, I want to display the what are the databases are available in our particular server. How to connect that one? Observing very clearly. Show databases. One command is there. Cursor underscore object dot execute show databases. This is the command to display the databases. For database in cursor object print of db of 0. It will be written as a tuple format. In the tuple format, one by one records I want to fetch. Next one, again this command I am trying to execute it. Now observing very clearly. Okay, here spelling mistake. Yes. Okay, observing very clearly. Before creating my database, in my MySQL database server, these are the databases are available. After creating my database, now observing very clearly, these are the databases. In that one, our database name is called employee. Employee is created. If you interest, go to the MySQL command line. Before, after executing that statement, again we'll get the our employee database is available. Are you clear? Show databases command for to display the databases in that particular server. Are you clear? Database, yeah, databases are schemas, are everything is same. Don't confuse. In technically, we are calling as schemas. Okay. Okay, the SQL commands are common for any database, but one particular database to another database, data types are changing. MySQL server data types. Go to MySQL documentation, observing very clearly numeric data types. The numerical data types are like as a integer, small int, decimal, numeric, float to real, double, precision, integer. Okay, these are the data types. Integer, int, small int, decimal, numeric, float to double. Okay. For suppose string char and varchar. Okay, these are the data types. Now, example 2, create a table. Write a program to create a table. Now observing very clearly where we are creating a table in our database. In our database. Okay, how to use our database? Simply one command, use our database is employee. Our database is employee. Use employee. Okay, now whenever that command is executed, I want to print one message, employee database is connected. That message I want to print it. Next one, I want to create a table. Okay, already we will discuss it. Create table. Table name is emp, employee ID, integer, employee name, varchar, and salary, double, 6,2. Department number, integer. Now, table created successfully. Table created successfully. Now, show tables. Show tables. Now the tables we are printed. Okay, please try to understanding this logic. Okay, after the first initially we are creating a database. I want to use my own database. How to use our own database? This is the command, use database name. Use database name. Are you clear? That is the command.
Sir, we are not using the use our database name. What is the taking the default database name?
Okay, it will be taken as these are the default databases.
Okay.
Okay.
So employee is our database name.
Employee is our database name, information schema, performance schema.
Okay, sir.
Sakilla. These are all the default sys database. These are the default databases.
Right, sir.
Okay, any one database, in the database table is created, or otherwise we are getting the one error message. For suppose I am removing the statement. Okay. Now, no database selected. The type of message we are getting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
హలో సార్,
Yeah, tell me.
నాకు ఒక డౌట్, అంటే దీని గురించి సార్, ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ మీరు డిజాంగ్ చెప్తాను కదా సార్, అంటే డిజాంగ్ అంటే కూడా సేమ్ ఇదేనా సార్? అంటే క్వెరీస్ రాసుడు ఇవేనా?
డిజాంగ్ వేరు, డిజాంగ్ వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ డెవలప్మెంట్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే 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 సార్, ఓకే.
కానీ ఇక్కడ ఒరాకిల్ డేటాబేస్ తో ఇలా రాదు కదా సార్?
ఒరాకిల్ డేటాబేస్ లో మనం స్కీమా సెలెక్ట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
ఓకే సార్.
కంప్లీటెడ్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యు క్లియర్?
డౌట్ సార్, ఇప్పుడు అది నెక్స్ట్ అది రావాలంటే పైథాన్ మీద కంపల్సరీ రావాల్సిందే సార్ ఇది?
పైథాన్ తోనే అక్కడ కోడింగ్ రాసేది.
ఓకే.
జస్ట్ అక్కడ ఏముండదు, అది ఒక ఫ్రేమ్ వర్క్. అంటే ఇన్బుల్ట్ గా కొన్ని ప్యాకేజెస్ వస్తాయి, ఆ ప్యాకేజెస్ మనం ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకొని ఇంకా మనకు కావాల్సిన రిక్వైర్మెంట్ మనం పైథాన్ లో కోడింగ్ రాస్తూ ఉంటాం.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే. Now observing very clearly, connection established, employee database is connected. In that employee database, this table is created. In that one, what are the tables are available? EMP table is available. Next, finally, connection closing. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now observing very clearly, use my database name is employee. Now I want to display the tables, show tables. This is the command.
Okay, sir.
Only one table is available, that is a EMP. Are you clear? Okay, DESC EMP means describing our table. That means what are the fields are available and what are the types are available. We can take any constraints, either of primary key, either null options or anything is there, that messages are information provided. DESC stands for describe, not descending order, describing, or completely that command also we are written. Okay, next one, my requirement, I want to insert the data. Write a program, insert the records or insert the data into the database. Now observing very clearly, previously we are using this command, use employee. Are you clear? Second option, simply at the time of connecting the database, one attribute database. Now the database name directly we can specify the here employee. In that situation, don't require this command. Don't require this command. Are you clear? This is the second another option. In the connect function, one more attribute is there, database attribute. In the database attribute, database equal to employee we are passing. Are you clear?
So this command is only for MySQL, or this will also work for SQLite 3?
SQLite 3, if you interest, we are creating already existed databases. That SQLite 3 server is required manually. We can downloading SQLite 3 server in your computer. But one more advantage in Python, without SQLite 3 server in your local computer, directly we can working. Just we are creating one DB file and we can working on the DB file.
Okay.
Yeah, that is one advantage in SQLite 3. That's why in Django by default SQLite 3 in database. In Django also by default database is SQLite 3. Don't require any server or everything. Just we are creating one DB file manually and we can creating tables and working on our database related operations.
So that means the database is virtual database in Django.
Not
That database doesn't
not
exist.
database, just creating one DB file. File we are created.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, observing very clearly. Previously, we are working on MySQL SQLite 3. In our current working at a 310 folder, one DB file is created. Employee DB file is created.
Yes.
Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay, if you want to communicate and connect the database, at the time of creating a connection object, one attribute is there, that attribute is called database attribute. Database equal to which database we want to connect, the database name we are passing. At that time, this command is not required. Use the database name. Okay. Next one. Insert into EMP values of employee ID 101, employee name Shiva, salary, department number 10. One zero two, 103, and 104. Inserted successfully. Records are inserted successfully. Show next one. I want to retrieve the data. How to retrieve the data? Simply by using select command, select star from table name EMP. Before that one, we need to commit. We need to commit. How to commit? Cursor underscore insert command. Insert is a which command? DML operation. Okay, DML operations compulsory commit is required. Cursor underscore object dot execute commit. Next one, select star from EMP. I want to print it one by one record. One by one record. Finally, closing. Are you clear? Please try to understanding this one. Now I'm trying to executing. Okay. Records are inserted successfully. These are the records. If you interest, here we can type command select from MP. Now that the records. Are clear? Remaining operations are all common. Previously in SQL 3, which type of operations we can performing, same operations we can apply. Just we need to require just one connection string is different. Okay, only this connection string is different. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can practicing in the previous classes which operations we can performing in on SQLite 3 database. Same operations we can working on MySQL server. Okay, this is the Python database connectivity. Next, we will discussing regular expressions. What is regular expression?
Once show me the programs upward. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
No. Okay, what is a regular expression? A regular expression is a regular expression. The regular expression is a special character, special sequence of characters. A regular expression is a special sequence of characters which is used to find or match a pattern into the string, or group of strings. A regular expression is a special sequence of characters which is used to find or match a pattern into the string or group of strings. Next one, use cases of regular expressions to generate the URL patterns in our web application. Next one, to retrieve the or to get the required data from the given data, to get the required data from the given data. Next one, to perform the data validations, by using a regular expression. This type of operations we are performing to generate the URL patterns in our web applications, to get the required data from the given data, to perform the data validations. Already we will discussing a regular expression is a special sequence of character. Okay, special sequence of character means what are the special characters are available. In regular expressions, first one, star. It matches 0 or more occurrences of preceding character. It matches 0 or more occurrences of preceding character. That means A, B star C. Between A and C, B will be occurred either 0 or more time. What is the preceding character of star? B. Between A and C, B will be occurred either 0 or more times. AC, ABC, A double BC, A triple BC, up to so on. These are all valid statements. Second one, plus symbol. Plus for it matches 1 or more occurrences of preceding character. AB plus C. Now observing very clearly, minimum one time P is required. Without B, this is an invalid statement. Now observing very clearly, ABC, A double BC, A triple BC, and so on. These are the valid statements. These are the valid statements. These are the valid statements. Next one, question mark. It matches 0 or 1 occurrences of preceding character. AB question mark C. That means AC, ABC. Only these two are the valid statements. Next one, it matches any one character. A dot C. That means A AC is a valid. A capital AC is also valid. ABC. Next ACC is also valid. One character. A $@C. A 8C. These are all valid statements. For suppose AAC 2 times. Next one A C A C. These are all invalid statements. Invalid statements. Next one, square brackets. That means it matches any one character. It matches any one character from the given list of characters. X or A or X, AE, IOU, Y. Between X and Y, it matches any one character. XAY, XEY, XIY, XOY, XUY. These are the valid statements. XAY, XBY, XZY, X3Y, X@Y. These are the invalid statements. Invalid statements. Next, another one. Within the square bracket, we are using cap operator. Previous one opposite. It matches any one character other than given list of characters. Other than given list of characters. X question mark AE IOU Y. It matches any one character from other than given list of characters. These are the invalid. Now these are the valid. Previous one opposite. Are you clear?
సరే స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఇంకోసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా? అంటే ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాం సార్ ఇలాగా మామూలుగా కండిషన్?
మనం URL ప్యాటర్న్స్ జనరేట్ చేయాలన్నా, లేకపోతే టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్ లో నుంచి మనకు కావాల్సిన డేటా మనం రిట్రీవ్ చేయాలి అనుకున్నా, లేకపోతే డేటా వ్యాలిడేషన్, సర్వర్ సైడ్ డేటా వ్యాలిడేషన్ చేయాలి అంటే రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ వాడతారు. క్లయింట్ సైడ్ రెగ్యులర్ వ్యాలిడేషన్ చేయాలంటే జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ లో కోడింగ్ రాస్తారు. సర్వర్ సైడ్ మనం డేటా వ్యాలిడేషన్ చేయాలంటే రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, star means it matches 0 or more occurrences of preceding character. What is the preceding character of star symbol? B character.
ఓకే
ఓకే, బి అనేది ఒకసారి వచ్చినా లేకపోతే అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ సార్లు వచ్చినా వ్యాలిడ్ అవుతుంది. అసలు రాకపోయినా వ్యాలిడ్, 0 or more.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
Next one, plus means it matches 1 or more occurrences of preceding character. This is a plus symbol. What is the preceding character? B. Between A and C, compulsory one time B is required.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
Here there is no B, that's why that is invalid.
ఓకే
1 or more means minimum one time, maximum any number of times.
ఓకే ఓకే.
Question mark means it matches 0 or 1 occurrences of preceding character. Okay, this is my question mark symbol. What is the preceding character of this one? B. Between A and C, B will be occurred either 0 time or 1 time. That means without B and a single time. Only these two options are there.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
Dot symbol means it matches any one character within the dot place. We can replace dot place. We can take any character, either uppercase alphabet or lowercase alphabet or digit or special character, but only one time, one character.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
Square bracket means it matches any one character from the given list of characters. That means between X and Y, it matches any character from these list of characters. Either A is possible or E is possible, I is possible, Y is possible, and U is possible.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
Except these 5 characters, we are taking as any character that is invalid.
ఓకే.
Fifth one, opposite direction. It matches any one character from other than given list of characters. Except A, E, I, O, U, it matches any character that is a valid. It matches A, E, I, O, U, that is a invalid.
ఓకే ఓకే. అండర్స్టూడ్ సార్.
Okay.
Okay.
Next class, I am explaining remaining special characters are available. After that one, some examples I am explaining. Don't worry about these characters. Each and every character, one example I am explaining. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.